I would be called an eclectic practitioner, meaning I use a lot of different types of treatments and therapies with my patients. I try to match the strength of the modality or the tool that I have to the need of the person who's sitting in front of me.
I originally started to see Dr. Hughes because I was having great difficulties with arthritis in my hips. I was in a lot of pain, having mobility difficulties, and I needed some assistance with that. With the initial treatments that I received from Dr. Hughes, I had increased mobility in my hips and a substantial reduction in the pain. I was able to reduce the pain medication that I was using by about 70%.
Traditional medical training was more associated with taking symptoms away rather than helping people reach potential with their health. And I was always very interested in my own potential and therefore helping other people reach potential with health as well.
Well, I started because I was looking for a family physician, and I believe in more of a holistic approach to medicine and taking care of my body and myself as well as my family. So I chose Dr. Hughes as my primary caregiver for me and my family. The main reason why I've decided to come to this clinic in particular is Dr. Hughes's attitude and outlook on life and medicine in general. He's a very, very comfortable person to talk to. He's open and honest. It's about realizing my true value and what I can do for myself on a day-to-day basis. And that was really, really important. It was what I can give to myself and my family in terms of nutrition, in terms of strength and balance. Balance is so important here. Finding that balance in all of aspects of life, not just medicine, not just when I'm sick or have a cold, but when I need foundation, when I need strength, when I need encouragement, I came here.
Mind body medicine is a large part of my practice, and part of the reason why it's a large part of my practice is because all disease processes, all imbalance within the body is affected by stress. Allowing people to help cope with stress and to address the mental and emotional causes of disease is something that can be incredibly important to help you feel better physically, as well as just live your life better as a whole.
Well, on the 30th of January of 2009, I had a massive stroke, and he was one of the first people to come to the hospital. I was totally paralyzed on my left side, and with his help, I left the hospital 17 days later on my own. In last August, I had a bowel resection done, and my blood levels were quite low, and he's been constantly working on building up my blood levels, and it's working.
What I really love about being a naturopath is my ability to help people learn how to be their own best doctors. The word doctor actually means teacher, and I really respect that notion of doctor as teacher. So part of what I do, and why I love what I do, is my job is to put myself out of a job. My job is to allow people to be their own best doctors so that they can be healthy for the rest of their lives.